guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's vlog, we are opening some So Slime DIY, of course. It's not a DIY. I bought it, of course. So it comes with this purple container. So let's open it and let's go to the video. So let's open this. So you can need some water with, of course I will need a stick. If you just want stick, you can use it, but I think I want to use it right now. So it comes with a baggie. Okay. Oh my god, that is a pretty glitter. Look at this glitter. Look at what it comes, guys. Look at that mini thing. Oh gosh, I put it in a slime. And it comes with instruction. Okay, so first thing, oh, there's more. Oh, it comes with a purple powder. And first thing it said in here, put some water. First pour one. And put some water, yes. I'm back, guys. So first thing you have to do, fill the wall. I put that on. Let's say pour some water right in this line. I think you can, guys. Can you see it? Like that. And it gives you an arrow how you do it. So I'll be back and pour some water in. But I'm not in the bathroom, that's fine. Yeah. Be back. So fill the water with whatever in the line is. And next up is in here, pour some this powder. So now can I have my back? Oh, I know I've been pausing stuff. So I got some scissors. So let's put this on the way for a minute. Let's open this up. Okay, it's all open and let's put it in. Pour it in. It stinks. Maybe you wait. That smells bad. Okay, and next up is pour the glitter. Whatever this is, the container that it comes with, and let's put it. Oh no, okay. That is so pretty. You guys just see that? If you guys didn't, the glue went up and down, and it just made a mess. Here it comes. And we're done putting some glitter in. And next, it said in here is secure the lid, shake immediately. So we put the lid in and shake it for 30 seconds. Just make sure it's secure the lid, shake immediately and quickly for 30 seconds. Hold into the container and lead while shaking. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. That's let's shake it more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. And remove the lid. Wait 5 minutes before removing the slime from the shaker. After mixing, it's important to let the slime rest 5 minutes before playing, or the slime will be too sticky. And after 5 minutes, it's gonna be 3:47, 8, 9, 7, 8. We'll wait 5 minutes. So while we're talking about that, it's been 1 minute, so we're gonna wait for 4 more minutes. Okay, so we got it. Use a spoon to stir, and remove any remaining lumps. Most lumps will dissolve over time. At first, the slime may still be sticky after to shake it. After boiling for several minutes, it will become smoother. Add the surprise sugar into your slime style, and color will vary. After putting Put the slime in the shaker container and close the lid. You can mix and combine your slime colors to create comics or rainbow style. And it's been... So it's still, you can still shake it. If it doesn't shake it anymore, means you can use it now. Yeah, that's what I think. Let's try. Yes, I want to put some glitter. Can you guys see that? There's a glitter in the camera. Oh my gosh, look at my hand right now. That was a bad idea. Let's put some glitter on this thing. I gotta put it on. No problem. It's been 3 minutes, so we have 2 more minutes. I think. I don't know. So let's put it in here for a minute. I don't need the instruction anymore. And I use some stick because I need to use it for the mixing stuff that I think I need to do. Oh my god. That is so pretty. And look at my hand. I got a pretty idea to do it with your hand. Oh, that is so satisfying. Let's see what time. If it's 52, I think we did 3 minutes more. So it's 50. If it's the time 4:52, it means we are. What am I going to say? We are going to take it out. Look at my cat ears, guys. And comment down below if this looks amazing. So I opened one of them. Like one of them. It's still jiggling. I overwatered them. Maybe this will fail, or this might be epic. Really epic. Oh my god, that's sad. I know you guys are in the toilet right now. If you didn't notice that, you guys are in the toilet. Because I have a holder right here. I can use it. Hallelujah. It's up there because the camera's really bad. This camera's really bad. I wish I used the older one. Okay, let's... My mom's phone, yeah. Okay, it's 52. Let's see if it did work. I don't know, maybe we overwater it or overshake it. Did it work or something? Okay, let's try to mix it. Let me just wash my hands. Let's steer. Yeah, I think it's making it because, oh gosh, I'm gonna mix it because it's kind of hard to mix it. Is it like doing it or something? Or we have to wait 1 minute or something? Let's just steer it. I think I can't hold it yet. Because it's set in here. It's been 5 minutes and after mixing the slime, it's important do mixing the time. Okay, it's adding together. It's not really that purple. I think it's pink. I'm not really that sure. Oh gosh, it's hallelujah. And it's mixing it together. I don't know if I'm doing this right. Because in here, it's under here, use a spoon and steer remove. I'm not using a spoon though. And steer lump or something. Okay, it's in here now, I think. Let's mix it. I'm not really that sure what I'm doing right now. I know I already made this one, but I'm not sure if I did this right. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh, it's actually working. You guys hear that? That is really weird. Steer master, steer. Oh, great. And let's mix it. Go check out my channel. Oh my gosh. There's a bump in here. That was a bad idea to touch that. That was a really bad idea. Oh gosh. Okay, let's take the bump out that we had. It's right in here. And it actually did stick on my hand. Let's throw that out. I think it's kind of sticky. Okay, let's try to take it out. It's not sticky and it's kind of sticky still, but it said in here it will be smoother when you play around with it. Yeah, it's kind of still sticky. It's still stretchy. We got some. Oh gosh, this is really messy. It's kind of epic though. Oh, we're gonna go get ready. Let me just mix this a little bit. Gosh, this is so pretty, guys. I'll be back, guys. Okay, let me just play around with this for a minute. Okay. Let's put this back in the lid and let's put the poop thing in. And we're done stirring them. Oh my gosh, let's put it in. I'll see you guys in the car when I'm done, so I can show you what I'm doing.